Human activities, from pollution to overpopulation, are driving up the Earth's temperature and fundamentally changing the world around us to cause greenhouse effect. The gases in the atmosphere, such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbon, let the sunlight in but prevent them from escaping, which increases the Earth's temperature. Burning of fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide, which increase the air pollution more than a thrice since the Industrial Revolution. Climate change has consequences for our oceans, weather, our food sources, and our health. Ice sheets such as Greenland and Antarctica melts, and sea level rise and spills out of the ocean leads to flooding in coastal regions. These climate change pose challenges, that is, growing crops becomes more difficult. The areas where plants and animals can live shifts and water supplies are diminished. Earth is facing accelerating detrimental effects of climate change, also referred to as global warming. Those changes are creating new health risks in communities across the US. Extreme weather, unhealthy air quality, and disease outbreaks are becoming more frequent and more severely affecting more people in more places. Changes to our climate means our communities need to prepare for health risks of higher temperature. Extreme heat can lead to heat stroke, heat cramps, heat exhaustion, dehydration, and death. So, how do you prepare for extreme heat? Communities can establish cooling centers, plant trees to lower urban temperatures, and educate residents on ways to protect themselves and others, such as drinking plenty of water and checking old relatives and neighbors. A changing climate also means more frequent and more severe storms and flooding, which causes contaminated food or drinking water. In these events, older residents, people with disabilities, and lower income households are more at risk. As average temperature rise across the globe, air quality can also change, causing asthma and allergies as air pollution increases the density of dangerous particles. The rapid rate of climate change is caused by humans. Humans are also the ones who can combat it if we work to replace fossil fuels with renewable energy sources such as solar and wind, which don't produce greenhouse gas emissions. We might still be able to prevent some of the worst effects of climate change.